Aw. Oh shit, those fuckers are close. That freaking look out. Go get Mr. Alligator. He's right there on that log. It's really creepy with them in here. What? It's really creepy with all those manatees in here. Yeah. I was just sitting here, then they'll like pop up and like make lots of noise. Yeah.
I just like chilled. Like I'd go really hard and then I'd stop and
that alligator's still right there. Like, I'm not really worried about that, because he's not gonna come after us. These fuckers are big.
Yeah, but they're not gonna touch us.
Better not.
What?
Better not.
Smack him in the head with a
And they're just big in general. Have you ever touched one?
It's a chook.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels so weird. It's like a rubbery sponge. Like a sponge made out of rubber.
I'm only going and it's just like...
Yeah, that's what it was like. No, probably not.
No, you lying, boy.
It just scared me.
Manatees live in
because it's too cold for them.
But they can live in any kind of water.
Yeah.
Yeah, what,
Why? I was just sitting right here.
There's one right there. Right behind you.
Is it really?
Yeah. Hello, my people. You like manatees?
What?
You like manatees?
Yes. Manatees are the best
Dude,
kinds
my
of food.
underleg hairs are
Gross.
longer than the top hair. That's chill as fuck.
This. Fish just jumped out and like flapped. That way. Oh, I see its nose. Where? I know there's a bike trail. Oh, I see the manatee.
Oh shit! Oh.
Was it right next to you?
It's right next to me. Oh my fucking
See, it's scary, right?
It's scared to shit. Dude, I could have touched that thing. It was underneath me.
It's scary,
oh
right?
My fucking god. I jumped. Did that shit on me?
Yeah.
Dude, it was right.
I can't see it. It's too muddy. Oh, I see it.
That was sketchy as fuck.
I told you. They're so damn big. Please don't do it to me.
Come here. Make it think it we're bigger than it.
Alright, I'm gonna come around the other side.
No. No, so you can watch.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, I'll flip you around. Oh shit, there's one right there too. See the air?
Yes.
Right?
Well, I want to turn around.
You gotta turn, you stupid bitch.
It's not working.
Dude, that was sketchy.
There's one right in front of me.
What?
There's one right in front of me.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I see the bubbles.
They look like concrete, like
Yeah.
cinder block material.
Well, they're fucking like tan or
Why are they
gray.
so far over here?
There's a ton of them.
Oh, there.
Yeah. I see there's those two over there. They just came up and breathed next to you, right?
It was like right here though. I was like, shh. Like I didn't want to put my paddle down because it would have hit her in the head. I was like, wait. Oh shit. I see it. Oh. Fuck.
Oh, they're right behind us.
Ah!
There's
There's one right there.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
I'm
Dude.
scared of manatees.
Yeah, dude, they're so sketchy.
They're huge.
Yeah, that's why
they're.
they're.
That gator.
I don't care about that gator. That gator's not fucking huge. It just has lots of teeth.
They get so close to the surface you can see them.
Well, it's super muddy in here. I'll watch you. You watch me. Make sure they don't like fucking flip you.
You think it's deep? Dude, if they flip one of us, we're fucked.
I know. I don't want to get fucked by a man. Because it flipped me over. Hey, Mr. Alligator. Oh, fucking damn. I'm like jumpy. Yes.
I don't think they flip those though.
I mean, if they come up underneath you and they don't see you.
Why would it not see me? It's a freaking aquatic animal.
They get hit by boats all the fucking time.
It was like a retard animal.
That alligator's just like chilling. Fuck, damn.
It's a fish.
I know, it's scary. That alligator's like, please don't make me move.
Please don't look terrible. Yeah. I'm waiting.
Oh yeah.
I don't think they followed.
Oh, there it is. They're back there still.
What?
They're back there still.
Weren't my feet up like this, dude?
Yeah, you were chilling.